So scary.
Oh my god! It's a lot better. Yeah, maybe we can find. Mints. Where's Gracie? It's like a game. I twist it like this. Yeah. Yeah. Like, I think at least once is fine. Like, I really like Wollongong. I want to go back.
Yeah, because it's not very touristy.
Yeah.
I think that's actually one of the good things of living in the suburbs. But I'm glad I just Manila instead of Sydney.
What? Kind of cool. I already had breakfast too. Like noodles as well. Eat one more big bite. You're like my kid.
Yeah.
I'm like Where are we going?
We're going to grab some sweets.
Yeah, at Kurama Market. Over there. Whoa, perfect timing. And how did you like the sea bubble ramen?
It's not kind of my taste, but it's okay. I like the soup, but not the noodle.
Oh yeah, it's too complicated.
Yeah.
And
It's not bad, but it's not that good as well.
I think it's just nice to try.
What's the name of like the vegetables, like salted, like
Oh, kelp. Smells like food.
there's flowers.
Taste test right now. Strawberry.
It's like strong.
This is our second ice cream tour. Room tour. This is a luxury apartment view. I'm so excited to give you guys a tour because it's unbelievable and you'll really enjoy it. It's honestly such a journey to get us here. So here's the here's the room.
Wow, super spacious.
I can walk straight through easily. Oh, just turning a few corners, but it's okay. Even an elevated bathroom. Wow. Ah. Let's just see if it's good. We're gonna go do some shopping. Hey, look up! No, look at the top. It's fake. It's actually 500 yen. They should change the coin. This one is custard. I didn't try custard last time. Oh,
I didn't get your topping.
yeah. Almost not yet. Oh, mine is just creamy inside. Where are we? Concrete jungles where dreams are made.